Good evening, guys. My name is Ridwan, the owner of Sunday Links Media. This evening, I'm going to take you through how to disable to Windows 10 if you're still using Windows 7. For some reason, a lot of us are interested in the Windows 7 and we don't want to upgrade to the next window by force, the Windows 10 or Windows 11. So I'm going to show you how you can disable the auto update from Windows 7 to Windows 10 or later Windows 11. So here we go. First of all, you come here, you click on control panel. From the control panel, you click on system and security, and you come to administrative tools. Or you see, like I do, you can just come here and type here group policy. Yeah, this is it. Edit group policy. Click on this. Some time for it to load up, and after that, here we are. Clicking here, you can drag this to show everything that we are doing here. Click on Windows component here. It comes to here. You can see from local group policy editor, you come to computer configuration and you click this small arrow over here. You bring out this window. I click on the Windows component. You scroll down and you see the Windows update. You double click on it. Then you will search for what are we looking? Turn off the upgrade to the latest version of Windows through Windows update. You can see here, so you can double click it and wait for it to open. Here we are. Now once this window is open, you can see it's not configured. If you come down here, inside of here, you will see it says enables or disables the upgrade to the latest version of Windows through Windows update. If you enable this setting, Windows update will not offer you an upgrade to the latest version of Windows. What the window is telling us here is that if you click on enabled, the Windows update will not offer you any message at all or any notification for you to upgrade to the latest version of Windows, be it Windows 10, Windows or Windows 11, which is the latest window. But if you click on, and by going on inside, if you disable or do not configure this setting, Windows update might offer an upgrade to the latest version of Windows. As you can see, mine is not configured. The window might pop up a notification or a message telling me to offer an upgrade. So in case, for this tutorial, I'm trying to teach you how to turn off the upgrade to the latest version of Windows through Windows update on Windows 7. This tutorial is mainly for those that are using Windows 7 and do not want to upgrade to the latest version. So in case you want to do that, you just click on enabled and click on apply and OK. That is all. So I think by now you can do it for yourself and continue enjoying your Windows 7. Thank you and have a nice day.